reaction. So definition of reaction is breaking and making of bonds is called reaction. Simple definition of reaction, simply breaking and making of bonds, because all these compounds, they are bonded with the ionic bond or covalent bond. Okay, so simple. What is meant by reaction? Breaking and making means old bond is break and new bond is formed, that is called as a reaction. So type of reaction, the first type of reaction is combination reaction. Combination reaction. See here, this name indicate that combination is occur. Okay, combination reaction means what? What is meant by combination reaction? When two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product is called combination reaction. See here, combination, when two or more reactant, they are combined to each other to form a single product, we can call it as a combination reaction. For example, see here, calcium oxide, it is a metal oxide. This metal oxide or this calcium oxide, it is a one reactant which is reacted with the water molecule. This water molecule also another reactant. This reaction indicate that two or more reactant, they are combined to each other, means calcium oxide is one reactant, water molecule is the another reactant, they are combined to each other to form a single product. So this calcium oxide and water reacted to each other and to form a single product, that is the calcium hydroxide, and byproduct it is a heat. See here, on the extremely right side of the reaction, only one product are formed, that is the calcium hydroxide. In left side there are two reactant, one is the calcium oxide, another is the water molecule. Two reactant, they are chemically combined to each other to form a single product. That reaction is nothing but the combination reaction. See here, second example, magnesium reacted with oxygen. So magnesium is one reactant, oxygen is another reactant. They are chemically combined to each other to form a single product, to form a magnesium oxide is a single product. This reaction is also known as a combination reaction. Why it is called as combination reaction? Because only one product are formed. Okay. Now third example, ammonia which is reacted with the hydrochloric acid. Ammonia is the base to form a hydrochloric acid, reacted with hydrochloric acid to form a NH4Cl, means ammonium chloride. See here, this is the only one product. Okay, so do you understand? When two or more reactant combine in a reaction to form a single product, that reaction is nothing but the combination reaction. These three example of the combination reaction. Calcium oxide is one reactant which is reacted with the water molecule to form a calcium hydroxide, only one product are formed. In second example, magnesium reacted with the oxygen to form a magnesium oxide is also single product, we can call it as a combination reaction. Now third, ammonia which is reacted with the hydrochloric acid to form a ammonium chloride, that reaction is also known as a combination reaction. Thank you.